Greetings everyone, welcome to my new channel. My name is Palesa Pulusi. I am from Soweto, Johannesburg in South Africa. I am a spiritual gift coach. What does that mean? It means I help people who have a spiritual gift or those who know themselves as the chosen ones. I have created this channel to help each and every one of you through this journey because I have seen that a lot of you are struggling, not understanding the things that you're going through or the things that are showing up in your life. Nothing makes sense and you are wondering, what is wrong with me? For some of you, you don't even know that you have a gift. So in this channel, I will be helping you, teaching you about what a gift means. And if you do have a spiritual gift, where do you start? What does that even mean, having a spiritual gift? Those are the things that I will be sharing with you, helping you so that you understand the process, so that you understand who you are. There are many signs that shows that you have a spiritual gift. For example, you dream a lot about being at the river, or you dream of the ocean. You're seeing a lot of water and you don't even understand why. Why is it that whenever I go to sleep, when I wake up in the morning, I remember being in the water or near the water? You dream of being at school. You don't even understand why. Most of the time, primary school or high school that you attended, you see, your friends or your schoolmates, your teachers, rather your former teachers in your dreams. What does that mean? I will be explaining all of that because that is also a sign that you have a spiritual gift, that you are the chosen one. You dream of lions, elephants, tigers, leopards, panthers, cats. You dream of snakes. I mean, the big ones, huge ones, pythons in different colors, black, white, multicolored, brown. What does that all mean? It means your ancestors have shown up. They have come to you to announce themselves that we are here. And all these animals mean something for your spirituality. You dream of mountains, being in a mountain, being in a cave in a mountain, or being at the top of the mountain. I will be explaining to you the symbolism of a mountain as a spiritually gifted person. Sometimes you dream of certain colors. All colors have meaning, especially red, white, black, blue, sky blue, yellow, green. I will be breaking down all those colors. Sometimes you see yourself wearing certain cloths with all these colors. Sometimes you just see a cloth. You dream of candles in different colors. What does that mean? This is how this channel is going to help you in your spiritual journey so that you understand what is happening with you. You are hated by people for no reason. You are a very kind and loving person. But for some other reason that don't make any sense to you, people just hate you. People don't like you. They call you a witch. They say you are evil. They say you are hard-hearted. And it doesn't make any sense. You are hated by your own parents, your siblings, your relatives, your neighbors, your colleagues, people at your church. Nobody likes you. You are feeling very, very lonely. Most of the time, you are alone. You find it very difficult to connect with people. Or rather, people can't connect with you. They don't like you. They show it in your face. And you are hurting. You are lonely. You're scared. You're struggling financially. You can't even find a partner. You are in relationships. They don't last. What is wrong? What does that all mean? So in this channel, I will be helping people like you to be able to make sense of all of this. If you are showing all the signs or some of the signs or even one of these signs, know that you have a spiritual gift. So follow me on this channel. I will be teaching a lot about everything, and I will be giving you opportunities to be able to ask questions or do consultations with me if you feel like, yes, I do have a spiritual gift, but I don't know where to start. I've been struggling. I didn't even know that I had a gift until you watched this channel. Every week, I'll be dropping a video or two to be able to help you with this. You can also join my community in order for you to be with other people who are just like you, going through the same things as you. I will be conducting courses as well to help you. If you want a course, you will let me know, and then we can make an arrangement for you to be able to learn more about what is happening with you, so that you understand where your power is. You are very powerful. As long as you know that you have a spiritual gift or you are a chosen person, you have powers. So I will be helping you to discover where your power lies. Join me, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, so that every time I drop a video, you get a notification. So that it is a wonderful and painful journey, but I'm here for you to be able to help you so that you reach your full potential and understand you have a purpose that you need to fulfill. Through my channel, you will be able to discover what is it that you are meant to do in this world. If you're spiritually gifted, or maybe you suspect that you might have a gift, or maybe you know someone who has all these signs that I've just mentioned, you can also follow me and also invite them to watch my videos. I know it is difficult. I know what you are going through, but believe me, staying with me is going to help you. I will see you in the next video.